could finish the submission. Like here you see.
Abhishek called a stropulous fight in round 1 in 4 minutes and 8 seconds. For your winner, submission by the rear naked choke, Shiva Nayak!
Beautiful victory by Shiva Nayak. Weathered the storm. Sunil Rawat was throwing his way and got a submission of his own. And we move on to the next fight, ladies and gentlemen. Saurabh Negi taking on Yahya Sirwari from Afghanistan. Oh, it's going to be a cracker.
आंखों के सामने है ताकत का खेल दे दिल तेरा धड़केगा फिर धक 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 VFC ready to fight it's the VFC VFC
The atmosphere is electric, Rahul. What do you say?
I'm excited, man. I think excited is an understatement because the next fight coming up is an international fight, the first international fight for the evening. देवियों सजनों, आज के हमारे VFC 4 की पहली अंतर्राष्ट्रीय फाइट जहां पे हमारे साथ होंगे सौरभ नेगी और आज ये सामना करेंगे अफगानिस्तान के याह्या सरवरी का. हमने पिछले इवेंट में याह्या को देखा था, एंड्रू एंड
Ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the next bout.
Making his way to the cage, Yahya Sirwari.
ready to fight ये मुक्का पड़ेगा खून भी बहेगा खूना थकेगा सबको कहेगा.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the first international fighter for the evening, Yahya from Afghanistan. Andrew, I saw him fight at the last event. He was excellent. He's making his pro debut tonight. He fought amateurs in the previous editions and he was really excellent. He's training in Delhi at SFL Gym Malviya Nagar with his fellow Afghan fighters. And this guy is the name to watch out for in the future.
Look, he's only 18 years old. He's got a world of experience in the amateur circuit and now is looking to basically make his name in the pro circuit, right? Comes from a good camp, probably trains very, very hard, and I think we're going to see a really good fight. Whatever's happening in Afghanistan, a lot of these guys are moving towards places like India and stuff, and you're seeing them, like, you know, guys from there have a different style of fighting. They have that, what they say, the dog in them.
They have the dog in them. I think that you nailed it. They have the dog in them. These guys are willing to take up a fight. These guys are willing to put up a show, and they reach that level of madness in that fight wherein it's really exciting for the fight fans who are watching.
And whatever said and done, he's only 18 years old making his pro debut. So he's got a long way to go. Even if his skills are unpolished, as long as he has a good base, I think he's going to go really far.
To all the parents watching VFC 4 right now, I'm going to suggest put your kids into MMA. Let them start training young because by the time they're 18 and if they choose MMA as a career, they can already go pro like Yahya Sarwari.
I agree, and you don't have to like really put them into like the striking arts, right? Always put them into maybe even wrestling. Jiu-jitsu is a good option as well. You're not using 100% of your strength and you're not getting injured. And you're going to see going forward, a lot of these guys are going to have very good ground games even at a very young age.
So मैं थोड़ा practical experience के हिसाब से आपको बता रहा हूँ. छोटे बच्चों को जब हम start कराते हैं तो we don't start straight away with MMA for them. धीरे-धीरे उनको graduate करना है. पहले they can, you know, when they're really young, maybe 7 or 8 or below that,
Yeah,
they
put
can
them in
start with
jiu-jitsu.
they can start with karate or maybe taekwondo as a striking art. Jiu-jitsu, yes. I mean, but without submissions, you know, don't teach them how to submit people.
I agree. It teaches them positional control.
Exactly.
Ground control, yeah. So by the time they get to like 18, 19, they're already sorted. Like they know exactly what they need to do.
I mean, I know a couple of kids, you know, who were in school when they started jiu-jitsu, and they're
Fighting out of the red corner, Saurabh Negi.
His opponent, Saurabh Negi from India, 22 years old, just a little bit older. but still a wealth of experience. Has competed a lot in the amateur circuit. Is also, I think, making his pro debut, if I'm not mistaken.
22 वर्षीय सौरभ नेगी पहली बार भारत का नेतृत्व करते हुए और ये सामना करेंगे अफगानिस्तान के याया का.
And if you notice, all these guys coming in these days, their fighting style have already been described as MMA. The day of the specialist is gone. Like, you know, these guys are all well-rounded. They know how to strike, they know how to wrestle, they know how to submit. It's a different game out there, Rahul.
It's a different game all out there, and it's a different generation out there, Andrew. You know, remember the days, the good old SFL days, when it was the advent of MMA in the country. We saw a lot of one-dimensional fighters fighting MMA. You know, they were either boxers or they were wrestlers. Or
Wushu guys.
Wushu guys, you know, a lot of wushu guys. And gone are the days, because then they were transitioning from one art to the other. But nowadays, kids like Yaya, like Saurabh Negi, they start training in MMA, and that's the core competency that they have.
Yeah, like exactly. They grow up learning everything about the game. As I said, they can strike, they can wrestle, they can submit. So it's like a holistically developed game, a wholly developed game. By the time they're 18, 19, they already know like this is what they need to do.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner.
He weighed at 159.6 kilograms, representing Afghanistan. Make some noise for Yaha Serwari! And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, his weight 57 kilograms, fighting out of India, Saurabh Negi! Ladies and gentlemen, the man in charge of the sound of the bell, Abhishek Bish.
The referee brings them together for the final instructions. Saurabh Negi taking on Yaya Sirwari from Afghanistan. Rahul, is this the first international fight in BFC?
Well, not actually. We've had India versus Afghanistan in the past.
For this card?
For this card, of course. Yeah. This is the first international fight for the evening.
Both guys look ready. Final instructions from Abhishek, the referee. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Glove touch. Oh, beautiful uppercut. But Yaya, he takes a shot again.
Look at that, Yaya was rocked. Yaya ko
I
दो-तीन
think
मुक्के पड़े and immediately punches के बाद उन्होंने take down लिया. और यहाँ पे transition
Got the back. He's going to take him down now.
Look at
that. Him down. Excellent takedown defense from Negi. But he drags him down anyway. But Negi doing all the right things, turning into his opponent. He could be looking for a guillotine, almost has it.
Oh man.
He could try to convert it into a power guillotine. It looks very tight here.
Oh, looks like.
See, he's shifting his hands from a thing to a power.
Oh,
and he might be out.
Yeah.
Oh, and he is out.
Man.
Beautiful submission by Saurabh Negi.
What an excellent submission. आज की दूसरी fight.
That was an impressive submission, Rahul. What?
Excellent.
Less than a
movement,
minute,
you
less
know.
than 2 minutes?
Less than
Incredible.
2 minutes, yes. बहुत ही अच्छा प्रदर्शन यहाँ पे शिवा नेगी का और भारत के लिए जीत पहले अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बाउट में यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छा यहाँ पे ये था एंड्रू की जब स्क्रैम्बल में थे तो सौरभ नेगी ने बहुत ही अच्छा hip movement दिखाया and transitioned and got the dominant position. Locked in a submission, squeezed the frame and we have the result here.
The thing is, look.
Let's look at the action replay.
It was early in the fight. He had it locked in. The mistake that Yaya made was he did not move towards his right. If he had moved towards his right, towards his left, that would have negated the choke. But Saurabh Negi was smart, had the leg over. Beautiful work.
Well, this evening has been all about chokes, no jokes. Over to Jared.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Abhishek will just stop this fight in 42 seconds of round one. For your winner, submission by the guillotine, Saurabh Negi!
Oh, he definitely looks the part, Rahul. He's jacked. And the thing was, it was early in the round. Both these guys were dry. As soon as he locked it in, he squeezed and just the carotid arteries were not supplying blood to the brain, and that was all she wrote. Beautiful submission. In fact, first two fights of the night, as you can see in the replay, he was out and he was done.
एंड बहुत ही अच्छा स्टॉपेज यहाँ रेफरी द्वारा याया एकदम आउट थे
Excellent work by Abhishek. Got a full house here tonight, Rahul. The whole bunch of people. What I mean to say is that in 2025, it goes to show that MMA has even reached the furthest points of India. Small town. Small town mixed martial arts is where it's at now.
बिल्कुल एंड्रू Ladies and gentlemen, we are live from Zirakpur. Is it Zirakpur or is it Panchkula? I'm not sure, but
Panchkula, I think it's
okay, okay.
Panchkula.
It's all a part of the
Ladies and
Tri-City.
gentlemen, in a few minutes, we'll be greeted by superstar Randeep Huda. So, ladies and gentlemen, Haryana, I hope you're ready for Randeep Huda. But first, making his way to the cage, Habib Hakim.
I love heavy metal. Well, you love heavy metal
We
too,
both love
Andrew.
heavy metal.
Well, for those who don't know, both of us transitioned from heavy metal to high octane Indian MMA. Ladies and gentlemen, the next fight coming up is also an international fight in the flyweight division, wherein we've got Habib Hakim taking on India's Sonu Singh.
Hakim, 23 years old, 171 centimeters. Again, comes with a fighting base of mixed martial arts.
Slayer.
These guys are basically, look, as I've said before, they're coming in as complete fighters, right? Like, by the time they get in here, they can already submit, they can already wrestle, they can already strike. So it's like, it's just building each part of their game slow and steadily. Slowly and steadily, sorry. I must say, Rahul, I really like the music at BFC4.
You know, one of those moments when I left the mic to headbang. I'm not sure of the artist, but reminds me of Slayer.
It sounds very Dimmu Borgir like.
Yeah, Dimmu Borgir, yes, yes. This, I think, could be Dimmu Borgir or maybe
something like that.
one of those black Norwegian metal bands. Mother Earth, what was that? We saw Satragon at GI.
Yeah, Satricon. I remember that band.
Heavy bass, high octane action.
We're
all
live.
from Panchkula.
Yeah, we're
here at
live from the Tao Devi
BFC4.
Lal Stadium in Panchkula in Haryana. Again, one would not expect MMA to be popular here, but the seats are completely filled up. People are here with their families. It's an entire event here, yeah, Rahul. It's
And we
crazy.
would never expect a fighter from Afghanistan walk onto Dimmu Borgir track.
That is pretty crazy, yeah. What I really like about the matchmaking is a lot of these guys are also very similar in age. So we're getting the best matchups we can in terms of for our Indian fighters as well. Right, we're putting them up against international competition, getting them ready for the next level of mixed martial arts. Because they're going to have to fight guys like Habib Hakim whenever they go out.
Well,
You know what I
yes,
mean?
the matchmaking for VFC4 has been an absolutely excellent. you know, I don't know the recipe that Ravinder Balhara, who's the promoter, was cooking, but he came out with an excellent dish. Look at that. In the main event, we've got Oves Yaku, and he's taking on Pratik Shetty. Now, this is going to be an absolute banger because it's going to be a striker versus grappler. Oves Yaku, we've all seen. He's fought at Nysa, he's fought at Matrix Fight Night, and he is taking on Pratik Shetty, who trains with Chaitanya Gavli. So he's one of the prospects at Chaitanya's gym.
And that's the thing, like, again, these guys are coming from bigger camps, bigger fight teams. They're very, very, very good. So by the time they're already here, they're already gotten to the point where they're used to the competition. They're used to the kind of, you know, skill set that they'll be facing. We're still,
Absolutely. And not to forget, we've got Corey Shadbot from New Zealand, and he takes on Mukul Kadian. It's going to be a banger once again. I've seen Corey. He's in the country for a while now, and he's looking to fight more at the local events. And, you know, fighters like Corey actually give an opportunity for our guys to face foreign opponents at the Indian soil.
I agree. And again, I've talked about this many times. We have to face guys like this to get to the next level. If we don't beat guys like this, how are we going to beat them at an international level? So it's better that they're facing them here, right now.
Well, we're all waiting for Habib Hakim.
There seems to be some technical issues, ladies and gentlemen. We're still waiting for Habib Hakim to make his way to the cage. All right, making his way to the cage. Standing in at 23 years old, 171 centimeters. Here is Habib Hakim from Afghanistan. The referee putting the final touches on Hakim.
And his opponent, making his way to the cage, Sonu Singh.
Well, we've got the Deftones playing while Sonu Singh makes his way to the cage. 24 years old. His fighting style is mixed martial arts. And flanking him is a veteran of MMA, of Indian MMA.
देवियों सजनों, हमारे सामने है सोनू सिंह और इनके कॉर्नर में कुलदीप शेखो, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छे, बहुत ही वेटरन फाइटर हैं। ये अमृतसर पंजाब से आते हैं और इन्होंने अपनी एमेच्योर टीम काफी अच्छी बना रखी है। आज इन्होंने इनके एमेच्योर फाइटर्स ने बहुत ही शानदार प्रदर्शन किया।
I remember Kuldeep from his SFL days.
Well, yes.
Yeah, he's
The
a
guy's
true
a-
veteran
the
of the
guy's a
scene.
true legend. The
And-
first representative of Punjab.
Yes, back in the day.
Back in the day when MMA was still afresh in the
Ladies and
country.
gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. His weight 57 kilograms, fighting out of Afghanistan, Habib Hakim.
Rahul, does Habib Hakim...
And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. His weight 56.8 kilograms, representing India, Sonu Singh.
What I meant to say was...
Ladies and gentlemen, as the action begins, the referee for the fight, Bisht.
Sorry to the interruption, Rahul. For what I mean to say is, Habib Hakim definitely looks like a younger version of Shara Bullet without the damage and without the bad eye. The same red hair, the same hairstyle. And they all come from this...
Minus the beard.
Yeah, minus the beard. Yep.
चलिए चलते हैं आज की दूसरी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय फाइट की तरफ, जहां पे हमारे साथ हैं हबीब हकीम